Hello, my dear viewers, welcome back to my channel. Did you know every continent on earth has a fascinating nickname? Some are called the dark continent, others the frozen continent, or even land of silver. These seven continents have acquired various cultural and historical nicknames over the centuries. These nicknames help us better understand the identity and significance of each continent in the modern world. In this video, we will travel across all seven continents and uncover the amazing stories behind their popular nicknames. Number 1, Asia. Popular nicknames of Asia are the Orient, the Far East, the continent of contrast, the cradle of civilization, the largest and most populous continent, the land of diversity. Orient originates from the Latin word oriens. It means rising and representing the direction of the sunrise in the east. Far East refers to its geographic position furthest east from the Europeans' point of view. The continent of contrasts, named because it contains extreme geographic peaks and valleys like Mount Everest and the Dead Sea. The cradle of civilization. Nickname is given because the earliest complex human societies like the Mesopotamian and Indus Valley civilization started here. Asia, also known as the largest and most populous continent, as it covers nearly 30% land area of the world. It also a home to more than half of the population of the world. Asia is also known as the land of diversity, as it represents incredible diversity in language, geography, religion, and culture. Number 2, Africa. Popular nicknames are the Dark Continent, Cradle of Humanity, the Mother Continent. The Dark Continent nickname popularized in the 19th century by European explorers. This nickname was used because the interior of the continent was largely unmapped and mysterious to the outside world. Cradle of Humanity and Mother Continent nicknames were given because the oldest known fossils of human ancestors have been discovered in Africa. Number 3, Europe, and nicknames are the Old World, Cradle of Western Civilization, the Peninsula of Peninsulas. The Old World nickname distinguishes it from the newly discovered continents of the Western Hemisphere. Cradle of Western Civilization refers to the continent being the birth of ancient societies like Greek and Roman that mainly influenced modern Western culture, politics, and philosophy. The Peninsula of Peninsulas nickname is given because it is a large peninsula extending from Asia, made up of many smaller peninsulas like Scandinavian Peninsula that located in the north and home to Norway and Sweden. Iberian Peninsula located in the southwest, it is a home to Spain and Portugal. Number 4, North America, and nicknames are New World, Uncle Sam's Land, and Land of Opportunities. New World was a term utilized by European explorers to distinguish the America from the Old World that are Europe, Africa, and Asia. After the travels of Christopher Columbus, who known as the discoverer of America. Uncle Sam's Land is a playful nickname derived from the personification of the United States. The land of opportunities symbolizes the economic growth, innovation, and immigration. Millions of people migrated there seeking better jobs, freedom, education, and prosperity. Number 5, South America. Nicknames are Land of Silver, the World Continent, the Hollow Continent, and the Continent of Rainforests. The Land of Silver nickname is the stems from the Spanish and Portuguese colonization era. The major river of the region, named Rio de la Plata, literally translates to River of Silver. European explorers believed the river would lead them to massive deposits of silver and the fabled mountains of wealth. The bird continent nickname is given because it houses more than 3,000 bird species, which is over one third of the world's total bird population. The Hollow Continent nickname is given by geographers because most of its population clusters along the coastal area, leaving the vast interior sparsely population. The land of rainforests, or the Green Continent, is home to the mighty Amazon rainforest. It is the largest tropical rainforest in the world. Number 6, Australia. Nicknames are the Oz, the land down under, and the island continent. The land down under nickname is a reference to the geographic location of the continent relative to the northern hemisphere, as it literally sits below the equator and the rest of the major land masses. The Oz is an affectionate abbreviated slang term or phonetic abbreviation of OC. The island continent, named because it is a single continent surrounded entirely by oceans. Last and number 7 is Antarctica. Nicknames are the frozen continent and the white desert. It is the coldest and most extreme environment of the earth, covered entirely by a massive ice sheet. It is technically a desert also. The white continent nickname is given because ice and snow permanently cover more than 98% of its land mass. The frozen continent nickname is given because of it is the coldest, windiest and driest place on earth. These nicknames remind us that the earth planet is incredibly diversified, filled with mysteries, natural wonders and stories shaped over millions of years. Which continent nickname surprised you the most? Let me know in the comment box. Hope you enjoy the video. If you like, please like and share the video and subscribe my channel for such more informative content. Thank you.